9-pack Pedi Perfect Replacement Rollers, 6 Extra Coarse for removing thicker cuticle more effectively and quickly, 3 Regular Coarse for daily maintenance. Grade Materials Replacement Heads for Amope. 2 times more hard micro-diamond crystals abrasive particles compared to other brands, make it removing dead skin more efficiently, and ultra-durable than ever. Washable material design for repeated use. Specially curved designed Amope Pedi Perfect Refill. For use on dry skin to reveal touchably soft, smooth feet. Refillable roller head spins 360 degrees for quick results on thick, calloused skin. The rollers can fit your skin surface perfectly. Extra Coarse. The best quality and best price in the market. Replace when it starts to show signs of wear, which will depend on the intensity, duration of your treatments. Stock up to ensure you always have a fresh refill ready. Wet dry. Safe and effective to remove dead skin from feet. Enjoy spa quality in the comfort by yourself at home. You are protected by our 100% hassle-free satisfaction and 60-day money-back guarantee. Top reviews from the United States. First of all, let me start off by saying for the money can't beat it. I have spent the money finding replacements in the store, so when I came across these I thought maybe they're not the same. I was wrong, they are great. My feet have never been so soft. I bought these months ago. I still have so many.